Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to hide or unhide posts on Reddit. So first of all, in order to do that, you will need to go ahead and post something, right? So I'm going to click on my avatar icon at the top right, or sorry, let me just go ahead right here into creating a new post, and I'm going to just say hi, and I'm going to just go ahead and say something, something BS, right? So I'm going to just hit next right here, and I'm going to just, post it right to my community or whatever it is, and I'm gonna just go ahead into posting my things on my profile, right? So basically after you post it and everything, just go ahead and click on your profile at the top right here, and from here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on my profile, right? And this is like the post that I did or I made on my profile. So what I'm gonna do in order to hide it, I'm gonna just go ahead and click the three dots right here, and you're gonna see an option that allows you to hide posts, right? But in my case, I haven't actually added a post yet, but you could just go ahead right here and just add a post, right? And say hi, and I'm gonna just add the post right here, right? And I'm gonna just wait it out until the post has been sent, right? And basically what's gonna happen, you're gonna see it right here on your profile if you refreshed it, right? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click right here the three dots next to my name, and from here you're gonna see disable reply notification, mark up as brand affiliate, and you're gonna see right here edit post and all that, right? And you're gonna see right here in the edit post right here, you can just go ahead and edit it and all that. But if you want to hide it right here, you won't be able to see an option, unfortunately, to allow you to hide that post, right? So unfortunately for now, the feature is not available right here to me, but we will let you know in the future if there is a new update coming. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.